Disability Rights Arizona presents Reasonable Accommodations in Healthcare, requesting a support person's assistance in healthcare settings. Sometimes you may need assistance with making and understanding healthcare decisions. From understanding a prescription's side effects to following a doctor's treatment plan, healthcare decisions can be difficult to understand and remember, particularly if you have a traumatic brain injury. In these cases, you may need a support person to assist you. A support person can help you access and understand medical information and can help you communicate your healthcare decisions to a provider. Under the Americans with Disabilities Act, or ADA, healthcare facilities such as hospitals, urgent care centers, and doctors' offices must provide reasonable accommodations for people with disabilities. Reasonable accommodations, also called reasonable modifications, are changes to policies, practices, and procedures in order to provide equal access to facilities and services to people with disabilities. You can make a reasonable accommodation request to have a support person present during your medical appointment or treatment if you need help due to your disability. A support person can be anyone you choose, such as a family member, caregiver, or a friend. The ADA also requires healthcare facilities to communicate effectively with patients who have communication disabilities. This means providing auxiliary aids and services to patients where they are needed. Patients can request a support person to facilitate effective communication. Here are some tips for when you're requesting that a support person be allowed to accompany you in healthcare settings. Tip 1. Communicate your request beforehand. It can help things go more smoothly with your request if you make it in advance when possible. This allows time for you to explain what you need and why it is needed, and for the healthcare facility or provider to understand and make any necessary arrangements related to your request. Putting your request in writing is also a good idea so that there is a record of the request. Tip number 2. Provide information about the ADA. Healthcare facilities and providers do not always know about what the ADA requires. General information about the ADA is available online to print out on the ada.gov website. You can provide this information to help explain the requirements of the ADA. Tip 3. Sign a release form. Healthcare facilities are required to follow laws to ensure that your health information is kept private. The Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, or HIPAA, is a federal law that protects the rights of a patient's personal health information. Sometimes a hospital or doctor's office will worry about violating HIPAA requirements and may be concerned about revealing your personal health information to a support person. If you want to share your personal health information with your support person, you can sign a release form that allows the healthcare provider to share the information with them. To access more information about requesting reasonable accommodations, visit Disability Rights Arizona's website at disabilityrightsaz.org or call 602-274-6287. The information presented is intended to be used for informational purposes only and is not legal advice. If you have specific questions or want legal advice, please contact a qualified attorney in your state.